Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto to any external wallet from Crypto.com. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So all you have to do is to open your Crypto.com wallet, and then from here you're going to go to the top left section where you can see the three dots, and then from here you're going to click on the crypto wallet section. Now once you do so, it's going to show you all the options for all the coins, and simply you're going to click on the button that says transfer on the right. Now from here it's going to show you the options of either deposit or withdraw. Since you're sending it to an external wallet, click on withdraw. And from here it's going to give you other options, and one of them is external wallet. Click on it. And then from here it's going to show you the wallets that you might already have. If you have no wallets at all yet, then simply click on the plus button on the top right. And then from here it's going to tell you to add a wallet with either method, so click on wallet address. Now from here it's going to ask you to select whatever cryptocurrency. So for example, if you choose something such as Solana, then we're going to show you this page right here. So for us to get the wallet address, let's for example use another wallet. So for me, I'm going to use my Phantom wallet. Now for Phantom wallet, all you have to do is to open the main page, and then from here you're going to click on receive. Once you click on receive, you have multiple different wallets, including one that says Solana. So click on it, and then from here click on copy. Once you do that, go back to the other page, back to Crypto.com, you're going to click on the wallet address and then paste it. Once that is done, you can select if you are the owner or not of the wallet address. In my case, I'm going to click yes, but if not, then simply you have to select whichever country they're from and their first and last name. Then from here, you're going to select whatever wallet type you have. So for most cases, simply select non-custodial wallet. Then click on done. Then you're going to select the final name for it. So for example, Solana wallet. And then finally, you're going to click on check and then continue. Once that is done, you're going to click on yes, I trust this address. And then from here, it's going to slowly select it. And then it's going to add it to the section that you have your wallets from, just like this. Now to send to it, all you have to do is just simply click on it and then click on confirm and withdraw. Then all you have to do is to simply click on the amount that you would like and leave a small comment, and then click on continue, and that is pretty much it. Once you do so, it's going to show on the other wallet, and as you can see, it's successful and sends in seconds. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.